Alright, I have gone to and had a booth at several craft shows over the years. But my one show I've always said, one day I'll do this big show. And that show was the Victorian Christmas. It's a huge Christmas market set in the Washington State Fairgrounds, and was always that goal to achieve in my crafting career. In my head, if I could do that show, I've made it. I've done it. So what did I do this year?
Come on, do it.
Yep, I signed up for that show. This was a big deal.
Yes,
I clicked that email, paid the fee, I was in. I was committed to the biggest deal ever to me. Ever. And I had 10 months to prepare. Deep breath. We're gonna do this. Now, I've done shows. I've set up, took down, we had it down to a science, and it was always just me and my husband to run. No problem. We had time. We could just knock it out in no time at all. This time, I think we need some help. So my kids came to the rescue. First, the planning. I had a spare room in my craft barn that I taped off the 10x10 booth size, and I figured out the layout. I signed up for a corner booth, going in feet first here, and I signed up for what the event coordinator said was the Vegas room. Basically, this was the busiest hall. There were 3 altogether, and we're going to be set up by the theater where we would get all the foot traffic from the shows. I'm in deep now. And, oh, did I mention we had to dress in Victorian attire? Yeah, we had to plan for that too. We had 2 days to set up. Keep in mind, all my craft shows up until now, I could usually set up in about an hour or 2. For this, we needed the extra time, believe me. Since I was super anxious, we went the first day just to get the basics. So I set the tables, the carpet, and the required shelves and things like that. Also, I just wanted to scope it out to see what we were in for. Got our badges, scoped the location, and yeah, I was a little more confident we can do this. First day of setup, all good. Second day, we set up and we had the whole crew, and boy did I need them. All I can say is I am glad I have tall kids. They did fantastic, and thank you so much. My little minions.
You want these around it?
Yeah. Looking good. Alright, here we go. This is a 4-day event. 10 hours a day. Yup. So day 1, no problem. Start with the hotel breakfast. Great. We got this. Oh look, carolers. Aw. They're playing Christmas music. Oh. Day 2. Breakfast. Decent crowd. Oh. More Christmas music. Yay. Day 3, food now. Carolers again, cool. Didn't I hear this song before? Day 4, coffee. Lovely people. Oh, Christmas songs. All kidding aside, I had a great time. Met so many wonderful people. There's so many of you out there that love miniatures, and thank you so much for making it so fun. And a lot of creative people there too. So not just me, there was 1,000 vendors that each one was awesome. And guess what? I did it.
Again. You're doing it again. Are you crazy?
Yeah. I signed up for next year. So, I guess we'll see you then. Bye.